You show up in the gym, push yourself hard, you feel that pain in your muscles after each set. Maybe you even followed one of those transform your body in 6 moves routines everyone talks about. But when looking in the mirror each time, you find yourself pretty much the same. Here's the part no one wants to admit. Most people aren't failing because they're lazy. They're stuck because they keep making the same 6 muscle-building mistakes over and over. Fix them, and you'll actually see your body begin to change, sometimes faster than you expect. Mistake number 1, rushing through your reps. If you blast through every set like you're racing the clock, your muscles barely get the chance to work. Slow down, especially when lowering the weight. Control it. Suddenly, each set starts feeling more effective. Mistake number 2, chasing heavy weights instead of a real stretch. Half squats, half push-ups. No surprise, you get half the results. Muscles actually grow best when you push them through a full stretch, not by picking up a heavier dumbbell just to impress yourself. Mistake number 3, stopping when it starts to hurt. Most people quit right at the edge of progress. When you hit your last clean rep, make things a bit easier and squeeze out a few more. That's when you wake up the muscle fibers you've been ignoring. Mistake number 4, skipping compound moves. Push-ups, squats, lunges. Maybe they aren't fancy, but they actually work. These moves hit several muscle groups at once and trigger way more growth than just working one muscle at a time. Mistake number 5, treating recovery as non-important. If you cut your sleep short, you cut your gains even shorter. Deep sleep is when your body releases the hormones that actually build new muscle fibers. Don't skip it. Mistake number 6, expecting results too soon. Most people quit during the nothing's changing phase, but muscle building takes time, effort, and patience. Stick with it, and you'll definitely see progress. It's just a matter of not giving up too early. Here's what separates the average lifter from the smart ones. Average lifters chase exhaustion. Smart lifters chase progress and recovery. Fix even a couple of these mistakes and people will start to notice, because real muscle growth isn't about doing more, it's about finally doing things right.